Next, we'll be solving problems that involve parentheses. Typically, when you see parentheses, you will want to try distributing. So I'm not changing the 5x or the equals 28 in this problem, but I am distributing the 3 across the x plus 4. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. From here, this is like a problem in the last video where I have like terms. 5x plus 3x is 8x, while the remainder of the problem stays the same. Now I'm using order of operations, but in reverse, to isolate the variable. The inverse of adding 12 is subtracting 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, so it's sort of like those 12s cancel out, and that would leave me with 8x equals 16. The inverse of multiplying by 8 is dividing by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so that leaves me with 1x, or just x, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. So my solution is x equals 2. Don't forget to go back and check your work by going to the original problem, and everywhere where you see an x, we'll be replacing it with a 2. And I do get a true statement, so that means my answer is correct. Let's do one more example with parentheses. This one's a little trickier because of the negative sign here. Some students find it helpful to change this to plus negative, and then it's a little bit easier to see that you're going to be distributing the negative 3. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Combine your like terms. 4x minus 3 is 1x. Subtract 6 from both sides to isolate the variable. And my solution is x equals 15. Don't forget to check your solution by substituting 15 into the original problem for each of the x's. And I end up with 21 equals 21, which means that answer is also correct.